Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Snap today. So what they do is they make Snapchat, and that's it. Current price is $17, which is up 5% today, which gives them a market cap of $24 billion. Dividend is 0, and I don't expect that to change basically ever. Basically, that's just my way of saying don't rely on there ever being a dividend, and don't calculate any future dividend into the price of the stock. Revenue $1.7 billion, earnings negative $1 billion, and that gives them a PE of negative 24 and a forward PE of 60, which is actually not that bad, all things considered. Did Tesla yesterday. They had a forward PE of 49, so obviously Tesla is the way better stock here, but still, you would think that for a company like this, who is losing basically 60-ish% of their revenue, that earnings would not be in their near future. But apparently you'd be wrong. So total assets $4 billion, total liabilities $1.7 billion, which gives them total stockholders of $2.3 billion, which is actually not terrible. The balance sheet actually looks pretty nice considering how young the company is and the growth mode it's in and everything else considered. So I would actually consider buying this company at this point, because it's clear that they're going to make a profit. They're likely not paying dividend. The balance sheet looks good. And it's already a well-known company, and they have a product that can compete with the biggest player that's in the market. So overall, if you like growth stocks, I think that it's really worth looking into this one, looking at the risk factors, looking at how the business is run, and especially the revenue numbers. So they went from basically 400 million, might have been close to 500, to 800 to 1200, now $1,700 million. So there is huge growth there, and if there's earnings in the coming year, that would actually help a lot, and that would probably drive up the stock price quite a bit. And a forward P of 60 for a company that's growing 40% is actually not terrible. So I'm considering buying the stock as like a very small speculative investment, but obviously, the fundamentals aren't quite there for value investing, and, dividend investors are just out. If you're a growth investor and you can deal with the inherent risk in stocks like this, I think it's worth looking into. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.